Okay, so I'm down here, down the plot. I'm going to give the greenhouse a quick water. We're on our way out to going to Wales to maybe a few castles or walk. So I don't have time to do everything. Ooh. Looks like squash are surviving. That's great. I'm just going to give in here a quick water and then scoot off. Look, my first tomatoes. They're money maker. It should be yummy. So, here we go. That has more flavour than the shops. Very, very nice. Okay, so it's only a flying visit, but tomatoes and a bit of broccoli. That'll do me. I'm off to Wales now. Thanks for watching, bye for now. Okay, time to tackle this jungle a little bit. I'm not going to do loads to it, just some. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to give it a tidy up. Well, I trimmed off more than I thought, but it will do the plants good. I'll show you what I've trimmed off and then I'm going to give them a good water. Now, you can see it's not thick with green growth, but I've trimmed and I've wrapped them around the wires. Well, this may not be a head of cauliflower, but I've caught it whilst it's still edible. You've got to take the slight wins when you have them. Well, I've pruned these tomatoes, took the lower leaves off, and look, I've got 3 courgettes. 3 courgettes. I prefer them the smallest size, but those will do. Well, I think that's going to have to do for today. I'm off home. Thanks for watching, bye for now. Oh, good morning. I'm down the plot. It's supposed to be a hot one today, so I'm down here to water. But if you look behind me, that's been mowed with a tractor type thing. So that's lovely. Saves me an awful lot of hassle. It just means I need to do the edge. It's going to keep it under control far easier. It's going to keep it under control far easier. So the reason I'm down here, yeah, is just to water. I haven't got time for anything else today. And I'm not in what you call allotment attire. I wish some of the others would actually get on more with their plot. I think we're going to have to do some chasing. Oh great, all the thistles are about ready to blow on one of the very unattended plots. Oh well. So before I water, I'm just going to check on things, okay? Ooh, a few strawberries. Wow! Look at the height of the sweet corn. That's got a bit bigger, and I can see cobs. They're just not ready yet. Okay. Oh dear. That cabbage has got very nibbled. But there are some nice looking cabbages in there. Okay. Look at the beans. Okay, so some broccoli's gone a bit past it. You know, I don't think my squash are going to do well this year. The plants are still tiny. Oh well. Cobwebs. Just put my hand out in front. Ah, more cobwebs. Well, hey. Tomatoes. They look okay. There's one's not so much, but fingers crossed. No blight. Okay, that watering's done. I've done the squash plants. I'm going to prune a bit of broccoli. I was going to pick a cabbage, but I think there might be enough broccoli for my meal. We'll see what time I have to pick things. Now this is why you shouldn't leave courgettes for too long. They get a bit big. Okay, there's none over that one. And there's a okay green one there, but there's a couple of yellow big ones there. So I'm in the rather weedy brassica tent. I got some broccoli, florets and some beans here. I think I'm going to cut a cabbage before it goes too much. That one's kind of been got by slugs. That one looks alright. Ignore the bindweed, it's awful. Well, one extra strawberry is better than none. Maybe very pale, but I don't think there's any more caterpillar damage. So if I give these a good feed, then they might bounce back. Well, I think considering these tomatoes were put in late, they're looking pretty good. Better than the outdoor ones up the other end. And as far as I can see, there is no blight. I think that will do for a small harvest today. So I'm off home now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.